The last thing anyone wants to do is contest the will of a loved one who has passed away. However, the law recognizes that there may be good reason to do this. There are two key reasons why you may wish to contest a will. Firstly, you may be concerned about the validity of a will. For example, the deceased might not have the mental capacity to make a will, and you may feel that it does not reflect what you know your loved one's true intentions were. Secondly, if you feel that the will does not provide you with reasonable financial provision, you may be able to contest the will. It is important to remember, though, that simply not liking or agreeing with the terms of a will is not a reason to contest a will. You do not have to be named in the will to contest it. A person who was financially dependent on the deceased can also contest the will under the Inheritance Act 1975. If you have concerns about a will, it is important to speak to us quickly. We will need to identify that at least one of 6 needed grounds to contest a will are present in your case. The length of time you have to contest a will depends on the type of claim you are bringing. However, the general rule is the quicker you begin the process, the better. If you have grounds to contest a will, we will consider whether it is appropriate to lodge a caveat, which will depend on the circumstances. This stops the estate from being distributed. A caveat remains in place for 6 months and can be extended, during which time we will rigorously investigate matters, including the circumstances surrounding the will and any promises that were made to you by the deceased. Our goal is to help you achieve a settlement in line with the true wishes of the deceased. We will do all we can to avoid you going to court. However, if this becomes necessary, you can be sure we will be with you, representing your interests. Because we are proud of our client service, feel free to go to our Trustpilot page for feedback from some of the clients we have helped. Osborne's, everything we do starts with you. To find out more about contesting a will and to meet our specialist lawyers, please visit our website